Learn the use of bitere. Bitere means borrowed as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb bitere in our sentences now. Remember, bitere, it is in past tense of bite. Let's start. Igbo, English. The first sentence is Ugomma bitere ego n'ụlọ akụ ụnyaahụ. Ugomma bitere ego n'ụlọ akụ ụnyaahụ, meaning Ugomma borrowed money from the bank yesterday. O bitere nnukwu akpa ego. O bitere nnukwu akpa ego, meaning she borrowed big thousands of money. O bitere ya itinye n'ahịa ya, meaning she borrowed it to put in her business. O bitere ya n'ọmụrụ nwa. O bitere ya n'ọmụrụ nwa, meaning she borrowed it with interest. Now, you can see that our verb here is bitere. That is borrowed. It is in past tense of bite. That is why we underlined it. The other thing here is that we use the same color marker to identify same words. Like here, ụlọakụ means bank. If you don't want to call ụlọakụ, you can call it ụlọ ọba ego or ọba ego. It just means the same thing, bank. Our essence of teaching you on how to make sentences in Igbo is that to guide you that you can use one topic and still make all your sentences like we did here. We use Ugomma, that she borrowed money from the bank, and the huge amount of money she borrowed, and where she put the money, and she borrowed it with interest. So everything here centered on Ugomma. Instead of repeating this noun Ugomma being a name, you have to choose to use pronoun Nochiaha. We use O throughout. O still represent Ugomma. So like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.